Well boys, it's time for two special installs. The Speed 3 is about to look insane. What is up guys? Welcome back to another video, and by the title of this video you guys know exactly what's going on. And yes guys, it is time to go fully clear the world, because right in these packages here we got our clear headlights and clear tail lights. I can't begin to tell you guys how long I've been wanting to do this to the Speed 3 for such a long time, and we finally got the packages here. Alright, so check this out guys. Inside this box we actually have our clear headlights. Check this out. Sheesh. Oh my gosh, this looks so much dang cleaner. Oh my goodness. And now is actually the perfect time to compare the black housing, the OEM style, versus the clears. Do you guys see the vision yet? Do you guys see it? Huh? Dude, I don't even want to like touch this thing. I'm so scared to like damage it, but holy hell. This thing looks so damn good. And check this out. Now the Speed 3 is going to be matching with the Del Sol clear headlights. But don't forget, we're not stopping there, because in this box we actually have nothing other than our clear tail lights, baby. Let's go, man. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh, this thing is about to look crazy. Oh my god, bro, look at that. That's literally exactly how it's gonna look on the Speed 3. And then of course the headlights, man. God damn. Now the real question is, which one should we start with first? I think we're gonna save the clear tails for last. So let's do these ones last, and let's go ahead and put on the clear headlights first. Okay guys, look, just as comparison, right? You guys think this looks clean? Look at this. This is like crystal clear. Yo, let's go ahead and install these on the Speed 3 right now. Let's go. Okay, bros, look at this. Clear versus the black housing. Dude, which one do you guys like better? Let me know right now in the comments down below. Crystal clear chrome or black housing? I'm so serious, guys. Look how insane that looks compared to the black housing. Do you see what I mean? Clear looks insane. Like, look how this doesn't even like pop. But look how this just like insanely pops, dude. Oh my goodness. Let's actually go ahead and put the hood down and see how it looks. Bro, look at this. Oh my goodness, guys. Nah, look. The OEM headlight versus the new one. It's not even close. You guys can't lie. It's not even close. Black housing is just not it, bro. Clear the world, bro. Look how insane that looks. Especially from this angle right here. Just beautiful. And when we put the eyelid on it, it's gonna look so good. But what do you guys think? Should we leave it without the eyelid, or should we put the eyelid on? But dude, it is so clean compared to that side. Like, it's not even close. I don't know why I didn't do this sooner. Do you guys see the vision now? Do you see the vision coming to life, huh? Alright boys, so Speed 3 looks like a zombie right now. I'm missing his eyes, but look at this. Finally got this eyelid off the old one. Honestly, wasn't hard at all. Heated up a little bit, came right off. But now the question is, should we rock it with this eyelid, or should we rock it without it? What do you guys think? Should we keep the eyelid, or should we keep it fully clean. Not gonna lie, it looks really good with the eyelet on there, but I think for now, just for a little bit, I'm gonna rock it without the eyelid just for a little bit, and then I'll throw this back on when I'm tired of the whole open eye look. So just a little update for you guys. I actually took off the top piece that was on this headlight and I swapped it on top of this because I only had this bottom portion. So I put the top piece on here. This is kind of ripped, but that's okay, we don't really need that. And we went ahead and put it on here. So before, it's just only this, as you can see here, it's only that bottom layer. So I took the top piece from off of that, put it onto the new lights. So now we should be good to go for actual install now. All right, you guys, check it out. We got both headlights now installed, driver side and passenger side. Holy, this thing looks clean. Clear headlights for the win. I could have did, you know, the customized, you know, LED strips and upgraded like hex lights and stuff, but I just like the OEM look of these lights, just in chrome too. This looks so sick. All that's left, guys, is to put the front bumper on, put down the hood, and let's see how it looks 100% now. Can't get over this. Oh my goodness, the clear headlights look banger, dude. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love the way these things look. Also, we still got these clear tails to put on, but it's getting dark out, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and save that for day number 2, which will be thrown into this video as one. So I'll pick up the camera back tomorrow and we will be installing the clear tail. Alright boys, this is officially day 2 of the install. Yesterday we left off with doing the clear headlights on the Speed 3 and they look so damn good. But for today's install, you guys already know, it's time to finish up everything by putting on the clear tail lights for the Speed 3. This I'm super excited for. Alright, so let's go ahead and open these up so you guys can get a full look at the new clear tails. This is the one I've been waiting to install. Oh my goodness. I'm not pulling this off yet, but you guys can see. This thing looks so sick. Check it out, we got the car spun around facing this side now so we can install these clear tails. So I mean, let's not waste any more time. Let's go ahead and remove these old tail lights and put in the clears. Now to take these out is obviously a 10 mil, two 10 mil nuts. Take them out, it should just pop right out. Just like that. And should be the next one right here. Pop them loose too. And for this side, it should be the exact same thing. 2 little nuts. And we should be good to go. Don't forget that there's 2 little plugs in here too. So don't forget to unhook those before taking the tail lights out. Hold it and wiggle it out. Sometimes it can be such a pain, but there we go. Look how it looks with no tail light. That's crazy. But now it's actually time to go ahead and throw in the clears. I can't even get over the look of these tail lights, bro. Clear tails. You see what I'm talking about, guys? Clear tails are literally the move. But of course we got to go and try it and see if all the lights work, which yes they do. Look at that. Oh my goodness. The indicators work, the rears, the reverse lights work, and the brake lights work. Like, dude, I can't get over this. This looks so good. From the tails to, you know, the clear headlights. Oh my god, bro. I'm telling you guys right now, if you have a Speed 3 and you're looking for some tail lights, I'm telling you, go with the clear ones. A lot of people get the black housing LED ones. I'll put it somewhere up here so you can see it. Some people get that one. Nah, bro. The clear tails hit, bro. The clear ones hit, especially on this yellow. And now the thing you guys got to take in is watch when we put the wheels on. You guys already know the wheel's gonna be chrome polished, so it's gonna all flow together with the polished wheels, clear tails and headlights. And we still got a wing extension to come as well. I did not forget about that. Plus, we still got other few little spicy stuff coming for this car too. So I hope you guys are ready, because this car is gonna look absolutely insane this year. The main thing I want with this car is to actually be able to drive it down to slam enough gat this year. But if you guys think this car is crazy, you guys just wait until we get started on this car. Wait until you get started on the Del Sol. This car is gonna look even crazier than that one, believe it or not. What do you guys think about the new headlights and tail lights? Do you guys rate it? Do you guys hate it? Let me know if you guys prefer, you know, the stock OEM tail lights and headlights, or do you guys prefer these ones? Give you guys another fresh look. Look at that. Clear headlights. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video here. We're losing daylight and I got a bunch of errands to run, so I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope you guys mess with the new little setup, little upgrade for the Speed 3. And like I said, once the polished wheels are on there, the work N2s, oh my goodness, it's really gonna throw this car together. Until the next one, guys, I hope you guys have a great morning, evening, night, whatever time of the day it is for you guys. I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, stay humble, stay blessed. Peace.